Oh, hi guys. Welcome back to my vegan kitchen. Are you as depressed as I am because you can't get the new plant-based Reese's peanut butter cups? We've been looking everywhere. We can't find them anywhere, and it's almost time for Easter. So we came up with this delicious vegan gluten-free treat today. It's for Muddy Buddies.
Yum.
Remember those when
Chow.
everybody else was enjoying those and you were like, they're not vegan. Well, these are, and they're gluten-free too, and they're super simple. So we're going to start in our pan because we're bad bees. We're not going to do this over a double boiler. We're going to do this right in a heavy bottom, fat bottom girl frying pan. This is one of those always pans knockoffs. So we're going to get our stove on low, the lowest. And we're going to start with our vegan butter. And today we're using none other than the one and only Miyoko's. Hashtag Miyoko, we're on your side.
Team Miyoko.
Exactly. So while that's melting, I'm going to unwrap my chocolate bar. I'm going to use one of these beautiful accidentally vegan 70% Lindt. But you can use any vegan chocolate you like. Obviously, you can't get the Hershey's one yet because that's not coming out until April.
That'll be out soon.
I hope so. Another disappointing thing is that they're charging more for the plant-based Reese's peanut butter cups than they are for the regular ones.
That hurts.
Really, do better, Reese's. Do better. So, I know, I'm just all full of it today, aren't I?
Any more complaints to air?
No, not right now. But we're going to do this on super low because if you burn the chocolate, there ain't no going back. What do you get when you burn chocolate? It turns into dirt. And that you can't do a damn thing about it. So, you know, we got to keep this moving. Because we don't want no burnt chocolate. Because I'm not doing this again. We already filmed this video once.
I deleted it by accident.
So we're doing this the second time. Alright. So
I think subconsciously I just wanted more puppy chow.
Probably. So we're going to get this going. This comes together in a very short amount of time. So just keep it moving. You can see it's already melting quite a bit. The butter will also help. So try not to skimp out on the butter. Even if you don't want to use the full tablespoon, at least use a teaspoon because that helps the chocolate to stay at a nice even temperature and not burn that quickly because 70% does not have a lot of fat in it. So it's not the greatest at melting. So that's looking pretty good. We're going to get ready to add our chocolate sun butter today.
Yum.
This is what we're using. And we're going to try and get a 1/4 cup to 1/3 of a cup in there. We're going to measure it with our eyes. So let's see. Lovely. That's so attractive. Look at that.
Right?
It's going everywhere. Maybe just a little bit more.
You could also use peanut butter.
You can use peanut butter. You can use regular sun butter without the chocolate, but I like the extra chocolatey punch that this gives. So we're just going to melt this until it's completely smooth and delicious. So maybe we'll come back in a minute. This is done. Our work here is done. So we turn off the heat. We bring it over to the table. Today we're going to add peanuts just for fun. This is the second time we're adding peanuts. The first time it was deleted.
But it was delicious.
It was delicious. We're going to do like 2 little handfuls of peanuts. And I would say do the peanuts before you do the Rice Chex because you want the peanuts to be completely coated first. And there's no guarantee that's going to happen if you do the Rice Chex first.
Yummy.
Alright, so once they are completely coated, like right now, we're going to add our Rice Chex. And this is up to you. You can add as little, well, I mean, up until a point, right? You can add as little or as many as you like, depending on how healthy you want this to be. If you want a pretty thick coating, don't put that many Rice Chex because that will make it nice and thick. And if you want a thin coating, if you're a thin bird, whoops, you know what happened. I'm going to have to eat that one. It's good already. So we're just going to keep this going until it gets completely coated. I think I'm going to add even a little more.
Yeah.
All in all, I'll say that's probably about 6 to 8 cups. About. But let's get this coated and then I'll show you what happens next. Now comes the fun part. We're going to take a little 10x powdered sugar and I'm going to put it inside my stasher bag. If you don't have a bag like this, you can use like a Tupperware bowl or you could use a Ziploc bag. So I got some on the bottom so that it doesn't stick. And we're going to start loading up the bag. We don't want to overfill it because this has to like shake and let the sugar go around and coat it so that they don't stick to each other. Mm-hmm. Honestly, if you were trying to cut down on the sugar, you don't have to do this part and maybe just spread these out on parchment and let them cool off and put them in the fridge and then you could put them in a jar. But I think they look nice with the powdered sugar on them.
I think it adds a nice taste as well.
It does because we are using dark chocolate, so there's not a lot of sugar in this. And there's not a lot of sugar in the
nut butter.
The nut butter.
Or sorry, seed butter.
Seed butter, right. There's not a lot of sugar in that one either, so it's kind of nice. So it's nice every time. So we'll just put a little bit on the top. We'll give it a shake. It's going to be a couple of sessions of shaking here. Shake and bake it.
Yum.
Right? Wonderful. Beautiful. Let me get my jar. Oh, I love things in jars.
Yes. It adds to the experience.
And Maddie knows that she's going to get one of these to take home with her.
I am?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Just like last time. Whoop. All right, so I slopped it up and I made a little mess here. But you know what? That's easy enough to clean up. Plus, then there's more for me. Because I get everything that's on the counter.
Right.
My mom would always go through bags of cookies and crackers and take out all the broken ones. She'd take everything out, eat the broken ones, and put the whole ones back in. Every time. All right, let's come back at the end when we're all done shaking and baking. Oh my God, isn't that beautiful? Who wouldn't want to get one of those jars as a gift?
Yes. That is such a nice, sweet treat.
All right, top them off, girl.
All right.
I may even put the caps on them.
Oh. I thought you meant eat it.
No.
Well,
this is what didn't fit in the jar, so that's what you eat. Yeah.
Ooh. It's even better than last time.
Right?
It seems big.
Oh, well, put that on the other one then. Yeah.
Okay. I think these are the same. I don't know. I think it was just felt big, but it's fine.
No, I think it is a little bit big because I think this one is from Aldi.
Oh, okay.
And this one is an actual ball jar, so
got it.
They are off a little bit.
One of my favorite things right now.
Yes.
But it's dangerous.
It's such a nice night dessert.
As opposed to a lunch dessert.
Exactly.
Oh
I mean, you could even have that during the day in a tiny little bowl with like an apple or something, or...
So delicious.
But perfect for Easter when you can't get those Reese's peanut butter cups.
It really is a wonderful, like, sweet treat. But it's
not
not too sweet. Not too sweet. Especially since we use the dark chocolate.
Right.
And the peanuts in there, a nice little
salty
accent.
Yep. Not too much. Just a little bit. Yeah, Maggie, 2 jars. Nice
so
jars.
Hopefully I won't delete this footage by accident like I did last time.
I hope not. I really hope not.
Thank you all so much for watching. Let us know what your favorite Easter vegan treats are.
And what else would you mix in besides peanuts?
Yeah, I mean, you could mix in a lot of different stuff.
You could even do raisins.
Yeah, you could.
Or cranberries.
Yep. So let us know if you give it a try. Thank you for watching, and until next time, much love.